started our hike. We are doing sliding sands in Haleakalā National Park, and we are descending into the crater. We start at about 10,000 feet, I believe, which is right around where the summit is, and then you descend down into this crazy volcano. And we'll be hiking this for the next 11 miles. We hike on straight through and then head to another car that we dropped off. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what it's like to hike through a crater. Getting down into the crater, and wow, is it pretty. There are the coolest plants. They're these like white kind of round, maybe cactusy plants. They're so cool. My friend Mercedes says they will blossom, like all of it, at the end of their life and like grow into this big plant and then it just dies. Like, how poetic is that? So beautiful. But it is so cool down here. Like, the mountains, once you get down, are like giant all around you. There's these like red rocks everywhere. We've made it about 4 miles so far, I think, 4 to 5 miles. And we are now in the center of the, what is it called again? I keep wanting to call it a caldera, and that's wrong. We are in a crater. We are in the crater now. We are walking through and it feels like Mars. It is so cool. No, like, mountains are so red and the sand is so sandy. I need to work on my descriptions.
Shot put.
Nice. Okay, now there you go.
Actually, you're throwing the ancestors.
Whoa, that one was the best. Josh is keeping us going. They're throwing the lava rock on the sand and it's like making this really cool boom sound. It echoes through the sand, I think, and it sounds really cool. We are headed up this steep section, the first pretty much uphill section of the trail, and wow, you get the most amazing view of the crater. It is, I mean, that's insane. What a cool place. Okay, so we came over that uphill section and the view was stunning. Like, you can see the whole side of the other crater that you can't normally see, and it was just like, oh, it was so beautiful. In all directions, it's beautiful here. Okay, so the boys decided to take one edge of the crater lump and we decided to go the other way. So we're adding 0.4 miles on. I'm gonna see if it's worth it. Every breath you breathe, like coming up for air. I'll be there when the bow breaks, the ground beneath your heart shakes. Every word you're speaking comes out like a prayer. We just came across this, like, what we thought was a bridge, but turns out it is Haleakalā, 65 foot deep. It's like this hole just in the ground here. Trying to drown out all the light, but all that you are and all you become was always in you somewhere inside. I'll be there when the night comes, the fear inside. We got to another really cool viewpoint and you can see this whole lava field, or what used to be magma, behind us. It is so cool. Like, I haven't really seen a landscape like this ever before in my life, and it's everywhere you look is so different and beautiful and rugged. It's just, if you can get up here, 100% do it. Oh, I'm gonna be there. I'll carry every little part of the unknown. Jagged edges. We just dropped into this valley and it's gotten so much more lush. Like there's so much more vegetation and it's green almost, it's like scattered. And it's so beautiful. Mercedes was saying how she feels like smaller and smaller, and it's true. Like we're kind of going deeper and the cliffs are getting a lot larger. So we're kind of feeling like dwarfed by everything now. Which, I mean, I felt like that before, but when you're like kind of lower in it, I feel like it really emphasizes it. So it's just, wow. So we forgot to, we should check the time. Oh. We're gonna like time ourselves and see how long it takes us to get to the top of the Switchbacks. 1:23?
Yeah.
Okay, 1:23. Let's see, we think 20 minutes, but we'll see. But yeah, we're heading up the Switchbacks, which is kind of like the only elevation gain, like serious elevation gain in this. And then we just have a couple more miles after that. And then we are back to the parking lot already, which is crazy. I just wanna like stay in here.
It's like driving on a Sunday with the windows down. Every mile, every moment, getting lost and getting found.
I believe we have gotten to the top of the endless Switchbacks. And what time is it?
2:55.
We said 20 minutes. It's been like an hour and a half. Oh my god. We had like utmost confidence. Like I looked at this and I was like, 20 minutes. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then you thought the same thing.
30 minutes tops.
It was deceiving. We see the parking lot off in the distance. There are like these sparkling cars. It kind of feels like this mirage that's tempting us. We're almost there. It is time for us to go get Mexican food. Woohoo! The best part about a hike sometimes is truly just like the snack at the end. Like not really, but like, you know, it's just all good. The cars were not a mirage. They were real. We have made it. High five. Yay. Okay, we are finished with the trail. It was so amazing. Would definitely recommend. I did just almost get attacked by a Nēnē, and that was a little scary. I was really excited to see them. But it turns out they're just like other goose, and they're mean. So, it's now eating my Cheez-Its.
Geese?
Geese. Goose. I don't know. I just hiked 11 miles, okay? I'm tired. I'm tired. But we're gonna go get Mexican food, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna get a chimichanga and an Arnold Palmer and maybe some bean dip. Yeah? Okay. Bye, guys. I accidentally dropped the Cheez-Its trying to get him away, and now he won't leave. Yeah. No, Nēnē, no. No, Nēnē. No. Nēnē, no. I'm sorry,
you can't
Nēnē.
have that.
Nēnē, go away. Nēnē, you're stressing me out. Nēnē, stop. I didn't mean to feed you. I swear. Oh,